Hello guys, welcome back to GeoCAD Chronicles. Before I start, so guys, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. Like the videos. For any questions or inquiries about QGIS, leave them in the comment sections. So for today's tutorial, we are going to talk about loading or importing KML files into what? Into QGIS projects. So as you see, I have already opened my QGIS software. So we are going to import KML files. KML files, these files I had already created them from Google Earth Pro. So to start with, I go to layers under the main toolbar. Then I say add layer. Then add vector layer. So vector layer, I have to make sure that it's under vector. Then I browse where my data is. So I'm going to use KML file, but it's the same for KMZ. So I say KML, I'm selecting Kabaka's Lake in Kampala. So I say open. So when I say open, I click add. When I say add, this window prompts me either to select all or deselect all. So for mine, it has already selected all. Then I say add layers. When I say add layers, then I close. So after that, we see even size them to layer. So we have zoomed it to our layer, though we are not seeing it here. So in under layers, we see that Kabaka's Lake has been added as a KML file, though even if we zoom to layer, we see nothing in our map view area or map canvas area. So what you are going to do, come back to your layer, Kabaka's Lake.kml, right click on it and save properties. So under properties, you look for what? Under properties, look for symbology. So you change from embedded symbols to single symbol. So I selected that. Then I look for a color for my lake. Let it be this simple blue fill. And then I say apply. So when I say apply, I close. So we now see the lake. And that's for the Kabaka's Lake. So let me again add a road. And so for this, let me use the data source manager tool. So I say open, I click vector, I browse for where the KML is. So I'm using Kampala Ginger Highway. And so I select the KML. I say open. I say add layers. Then I close. So this layer has been added. I select it, zoom to layer. So for the Kampala Ginger Highway, we can see that it's there. It has been added. So that's how you import KML layers into what? Into QGIS projects. Then we export them as shape files. So I right click Kabaka's Lake. I go to export, save feature as. So I select this as the shape file. I'll browse where I want to save my data KML. So I say Kabaka's Lake. Lake. So Kabaka's Lake is going to save as a shape file. So I say save. Now I make sure that this is on so that it's added into my map. So I say okay. So we can now see if I turn off the KML layer for Kavaka's lake, we remain with the shapefile for the lake here. So it's the same for the Ginger Highway. I'll select it, right click, export, save features as. Shapefile is selected already. So Kampala, Kampala Ginger Highway. So I'm saving it as a shapefile. So I say save. I say okay. So if I turn off the KML layer, we see that we remain with the shapefile. So guys, that's how you can import KML and export it as a shapefile. So in our next tutorial, we are going to look at importing shapefiles and exporting them as KML files. So guys, subscribe. Any comment, any questions or inquiries, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.